Hi, I'm Ingemar Hunnings. I'm the lead consultant at Hunnings Consultancy. This is a short little video on document version control within Leak the Case Management System. I should say that we are accredited Leap implementation consultants. We do a lot of work for firms using Leap, follow-up training, new starter training, help with what they're doing and such like. So there we go. We've been working with them since about 2015. I'm going to share my screen and just focus now on version control. So here we go. This is talking about Word documents, and I'm going to take this letter here as an example of a Word document. Now, just as a sneak preview, right-click History of Changes. Okay, so that allows you to access past versions and the current version, of course, as well. So if I were to go into this Word document, double left-click to open it up, and make a change. Oh no, select Word. Yeah, okay, I made a change to this Word document. When I go save and close, and then go back to the document, right click here, History of Changes, all changes to that document are shown here. Leap automatically saves each version, and you can see them in here. Now you can preview these. Okay, you can make that bigger if you want to. If you go to a change of a name, which of course is a name, there's nothing new to see, of course, but it is a change. But if you go to an edit of the actual content, then there we go, you can access that. So this is black, but because it is the current version. The current version is the one that comes up when you print it, PDF it, email it, and such like. You can make an earlier version, the current version. For example, if a client says they need you to amend something before it's finalized. But by default, the most recent is the current version. Now you can select two versions. Actually, just pick that there, two versions there, and compare them. Now this uses Microsoft Word trip changes. Compare, and it goes off to Word to show you the difference. Now, this has worked fine for me today, and it's shown the difference just in red there, which is brilliant. It doesn't always work for me. Sometimes it doesn't work, and it shows other text which wasn't amended this time in red. So don't fear, I'll tell you a little bit later, other tools that help you. But if it does work, that's absolutely brilliant. You've got the original there, the amended version there, and this could speed up your proofreading so you can see immediately what the change was. So this could be saved. I won't bother, but you can see you could save that. So if we go back into Leap, let's just get rid of those things in here. If you had, say, a letter or something that was sent back to you, a lease or what have you, you can right-click and extract it, okay, out of your email. And then you can find whatever it was that you had extracted, pretend it's that one, and the one that's come back. Sorry, the original one, and you can compare them. Having selected two, you can compare the documents using exactly the same functionality that I showed you, which is brilliant. That can speed things up for you and save you having to do that full proofread. Now, what you can also do, and certainly this helps if that method I showed you doesn't work and doesn't show you just the amendments, you can pick the two documents. I'm holding down the control key and left clicking here, and then use AI, Matter AI, because you're in the matter, and ask it then to compare the documents and tell you what the differences are between one to the other. Okay, remember that you can also right click and amend the name, so rename the document. You can also put them into folders. Okay, so let's get rid of this, and you can see you can drag and drop to pop into folders. You could have a folder for drafts. Okay, and then one final point when you're looking at version control, Word is very helpful, sometimes too helpful. And if the recipient is very good at Word, they can dig back through Word to find earlier versions. But if you were to still want it to be in Word format, what you can do is duplicate the item, and that will create a new document. So it will not have the versioning history. And perhaps you could choose to do that before sharing it and out of your system. Okay, so there's a little bit on document version control. I hope you found that helpful. Thank you very much.